serious? Fire alarms going off here? Hang on a second, folks. Is that the fire alarm? Are you serious? Alright, folks, I'm sorry. Fire alarm going off here at the hotel in Toronto, Canada. And there was a lot of people in the hallway. I see people pouring out of the hotel right now. But I just saw a man in the hallway. A security, maintenance security guy who said, no, there's no problem. It's an accident. So, but I still see people coming out of the hotel. Alright, I'm going to let you go, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Let's double check. Let's make sure I'm not in a burning hotel. I'm Pastor Paul. I'll be... What's that? Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm going to go out. Alright, I'll be back as soon as we get this under control.